Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows from Jolly Ranchers. First, gather your ingredients. About 30 Jolly Ranchers, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. You'll also need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Prepare a 9x 13-inch baking pan by lightly greasing it and dusting with powdered sugar. This ensures your marshmallows won't stick. Next, unwrap your Jolly Ranchers and place them in a saucepan with 1/4 cup of water and the corn syrup. Heat gently over low heat, stirring until the candies are completely melted and smooth. In a separate bowl, sprinkle the 2 packets of gelatin over 1/4 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. Once bloomed, stir the gelatin into the warm, melted candy mixture until fully dissolved. Now, transfer the warm candy and gelatin mixture to a stand mixer bowl. Using the whisk attachment, whip on high speed for about 8 to 10 minutes. The mixture will become very light, fluffy, and significantly increase in volume, resembling traditional marshmallow fluff. Quickly pour this vibrant mixture into your prepared 9x 13-inch pan. Use a lightly greased spatula to spread it evenly across the surface. Finally, let your marshmallow creation set at room temperature for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Once firm, generously dust a clean cutting board with powdered sugar. Invert the marshmallow slab onto the board and peel off the parchment paper. Use a sharp, oiled knife or cookie cutters to cut your colorful marshmallows into squares or fun shapes. Dust all sides with more powdered sugar to prevent sticking. Enjoy your homemade, fruity treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.